Okay, we're going to take out the Sports Cub S2 today. Nice day. Got a little breeze, you can see it in the trees, but she flies nice. Here we go. It's a great little flyer. Ooh, a little wind. Yeah, she's amazing. Great little bird. Little windy for it today, but she flies great. Getting knocked around. Ooh. Yeah, she's really struggling. Yeah, look at all the wind back there. Ooh, ooh, nice. Wind really pushes her around. She's still a great plane though. Really windy back here. Yeah, look how slow. That is excellent. Ooh. Ooh, it's real windy now. Ooh. Oh, I think it's down in the bush. Oh, it landed. Nice. Perfect landing, and I didn't even see it. Oh. My battery came out. She's good. Alright. Well, that was the Sports Cub S2 today in the yard. What a great flight. Wind pushed it around a little bit, but she's good. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.